Welcome to Coding Literacy Flakes 13 of 40, HTML Part 6. We'll be looking at HTML5. HTML5 simply means it's HTML version 5. This is the current HTML that most modern browsers use today. The difference with HTML5 and HTML is that HTML5 offers refined tags, which makes things quicker, but also offers multimedia tags. In this screencast, I'll show you how to let the browser know you're using HTML5, and also I'll show you how to import a video and an audio file. Okay, first of all, I'm going to load up my text editor. I'll be using Notepad++, but you can use Notepad, or you can use text edit from Mac, or even Word itself, as long as it's text, as long as it's saved as text. Okay, let's look at Notepad, and we're going to start with our first code. The first thing we're going to do is let the browser know that you're using HTML5. The way you do that is by typing in doc type. The doc type must be in uppercase. That is case sensitive. The rest of it's not. So doc type lets the browser know you're using HTML5. Now, as before with HTML, you let the browser know you're starting a HTML web page right now, on and off. Again, it's not really case sensitive. It could be uppercase or lowercase, doesn't really matter. Okay, I'm going to indent to let the browser know I'm using the following for screen displays. Switch the screen display on and screen display off. And let's start our first program. Now, let's look. What I'm going to do is put the following text. This is my 6th HTML page, and I'm going to show you something else. Now, this is a paragraph break, but with etiquette, HTML etiquette. It's a good idea to let the programmers know this tag does not have a closing or starting tag. You do that by putting a / at the end of it, not in the front, at the end. That makes no difference. This with the / at the end of it, or no / is the same thing. You just let the programmers know that this tag does not have a beginning or end. Down the track, the program gets a lot more complicated, and you're going to have to debug programs in the future. And if they've got all this code to work out where it starts and stops, it makes life easier for them. Okay, now below is an example of embedding a video into your web page. As before, with BR on its own, that's all you need. But for text, for HTML etiquette, I'm going to put a / to let people know there's no beginning or end. It's just down the line. And then I'll put below is an example of embedding audio into your web page. Again, I'm going to put a break to indicate there's no beginning or end, just a break, put a / at the end of it. And that's what I did at this point in time. Okay, let's just check this out, see what's happened, and we'll just do a bit of a save. Okay, file, save as. I was saving the same folder I had before. I'm going to call this one 6. HTML. It's going to be a text file, actually HTML file, and so I don't think I'm going to get extension, so do it automatically. So let's just get rid of that. 6, save, and there it is. Let's test it out. Okay, I'm going to run it in Chrome, Google Chrome, and it should pop up. There it is. As you can see, let's put the text editor on one side, the browser on the other. As you can see, it's not a paragraph break. It's made no difference. The / at the end of it. Let's put some line breaks between those two lines. So things are working nicely. Okay, now we're going to do some video input. So the first thing you need to do if you put video in is make sure you get the video clip you want in the same folder, and the video clip is the Coding Literacy 12, and I'm going to put that in the embedded, and I'm also going to use a sound here called werewolf. If I was to look at that, this is the video I'm going to embed into my program, and this would be the sound. I'll play it. There you go. Okay, I'm going to embed those two files. So you must make sure it's the same name, and I've got CLF code lipstick flake 12. It's an MP4, so that's what I need to know. Over here I'll let HTML5 know I'm putting a video in. To do that, you put a video tag. This is new. The width can be any width you want. I'm going to make it 320 pixels wide. And control means you're going to show the controls to the user who's using your web page, and they can start, stop, freeze it, whatever they want to do with the video. You can put autoplay, which plays automatically. Now the next code, which is HTML5, is the source. Where is it coming from? Source, and the source I'm looking for is CLF12MP4. Got to put extension in there. And the type, so at least know what type it is. Well, it's a video, and it's a video, and it's an MP4, and that's in the quotes. So now it knows where to find it, and I'm let them know that I've finished with the video tag off. I'm going to put a new paragraph break, and I'll put a forward slash at the end of it. It makes no difference. See the forward slash in the beginning, that means end video tag. This forward slash at the end makes no difference at all. It's just to let the programmer know that there's no beginning or end with this tag. So save this and have a look at it. Okay, let's go back to our browser, refresh it, and there it is. Oh, it's huge. Okay, that's the program. I spelled width too. Didn't spell width properly. That's the problem. Okay, let's try it again. Save this and refresh it. That's much better size. There you go. You got the controls there. There you go, and you can freeze it. Okay, so that part's working nicely. The next part is the same. It's going to be an audio file. Audio controls again. Let the user have control over it, or you can put autoplay, which just plays automatically, and they can own control. And again, the same things as before. Source file is, for me, for you, it'll be different. It'll be werewolf, and this is a MP3 file. Okay, let the browser know what type it is. It's an audio file, and I'm using the MPEG family group. There's lots of different types there. And then the same again, close off the audio tag closed off, and go to a new paragraph. Again, the forward slash at the end of it makes no difference at all, just coding adequate. So save this, and let's have a look at it. Go to my browser, refresh, and let's play it. And there you go. That's an introduction to HTML5. The important parts is this here. Let the browser knows HTML5, and now you got new tags here, video and audio, which you can use. There's a lot more tags as well. Thank you for watching.